Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I have featured the gorgeous ABC Mini Stacked Cook Stove. I am out here on Lake Pend Oreille in Idaho, like fulfilling my dreams, shooting epic videos on my cook stoves, and I am having a blast out here. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoy making it for you guys today. If you do like my videos, give me that thumbs up. It helps me out when y'all like and share my content. Cheers. So today I am featuring the ABC Mini 2 stacked cook stove, and I am going to give you my top 5 reasons why I love this model. So this model, number one, comes in a variety of color choices. These are like painted panels here, and this is what we call the gray. As you can see, the lighting really shows this model well because it kind of looks more silver. However, when I think of silver, that's like a metallic, right? Like silvers and gold are metallic. That's why I don't call it silver. But it is like a very light color, but it's flat. So this is like a flat light gray. It looks really nice and accent well with the top chrome corner on the stove. Number two, the footprint of this stove is perfect for small spaces. It works really well in the center of a room even. The stove looks very nice from all angles, and it fits very, very well into compact places. Number three, this model is tax credit qualified. So if you guys are looking for that tax credit, if you're not aware of that, there is a 30% federal tax credit on biomass products that do allow you to deduct up to $6,800, including the cost of the unit, the cost of the installation, and your chimney pipe cost. So that can be a significant savings. Number three, this company, ABC, we import this product out of Serbia, and the company is excellent to work with. They do an amazing job with supporting their product and providing service, etc. I've been dealing with the company for more than 10 years now, and I have never been disappointed. Of course, the quality of the people that we work with is a huge ranking factor, and so I really appreciate the quality of business and the quality of people that comes from the company ABC. Number four, this model is actually able to burn coal as well as wood. It does have a nice cast iron grate located in the bottom of the firebox. You do have combustion airflow that comes up from underneath the firebox through the bottom of the grate, and that's going to be what's required to get your nice fire burning when doing coal. So my East Coast buddies would absolutely love that option. To have access to cheap, affordable coal can be an excellent way. You also get quite a bit more BTUs out of coal as well. So that's a really nice factor as well to be able to have that option. And number five, I do like the baking oven in this model because the rack is more like half, well, it's not quite halfway, but it's higher up than some of the other ones. Like this, for example, this stacked model over here, the Olympia, it's kind of just like right off the bottom of the ground. So I do appreciate that the oven rack is a little bit higher up, and some of these stacked models don't even have any option for any rack at all, and you have to set the pan directly on the bottom. So that is pretty nice. I do like that. And then number five, this model is versatile because you do have the ability to add in outside air. There are not a lot of stacked cook stoves available in North America that do have the outside air option. So outside air is going to be a requirement for mobile and manufactured homes usually, or if you're in like a very tightly insulated solar passive home, something like that, or potentially like have a lot of exhaust fans where you're getting a negative pressure. So that is something to keep in mind as well. The Mini is going to be one of the few stacked cook stoves with an outside air option. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video today on the top 5 reasons why I love the Concept 2 Air Mini. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to thumbs up, click subscribe, share it with a friend. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.